On this video, I will show you how to do your own eyelash extensions at home. Quick, easy, and budget friendly. If you don't like looking tired and want to save some time in the morning, this is definitely the video for you. This is my favorite brand. I got them from Amazon, so let's dive in and see how they turn out. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Cheva, a small business owner, content creator, and of course a mom of two. I like to share a little bit of everything on this channel, but mainly the behind the scenes of my small business, product reviews, and fun DIYs. So if that sounds like your vibe, I would love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button. Now let's start. If you have long eyelashes, if you have been blessed with long eyelashes, you have no worries in the world. You are blessed. But if you are like me that have small eyelashes, like looking down eyelashes, we need help. I'm gonna recommend you this set of eyelashes. This is from the brand LASHVIEW. I hope that you can see it there. LASHVIEW. Okay, as you can see, I already used them. This is the second pack that I buy. This is the second bundle, the second time that I purchased this same brand. I've purchased other brands before and I haven't liked them. This one right here, for example, it's from Shane. Okay, so I only saved this set to make this video. I wanted to show you that they look so cheap. They look super synthetic, super shiny, and when you take one out, they come apart. They come apart, and the band is super uncomfortable. They itch. They kind of make your eyes itchy. So this is gonna go to trash. I don't need it. Now this brand though. This brand, I also used the Kiss brand, okay, but they're cute, okay, they're cute, super natural, but they are too expensive for the quantity that it comes. It comes only for 2 sets, if I'm not mistaken. It was about $19, and no, this I paid less than $10 for this set. It comes with the book of lashes, with a book of extensions. It comes with the glue, the bond, and the lock. Okay, this is the bond, color black, and then lock, clear. It comes with its own remover. Okay, and it comes, these are my tweezers, with its own tweezers. I don't really use these tweezers, but nice of them for including that in the package. This is super easy. We're gonna start. This is super easy. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna use, you know what? I'm gonna use their tweezers, but I am also gonna use my own tweezers. These are from the brand Revlon. Love these tweezers. Okay, I apply them with this and I secure them with this. And I'm gonna give you a trick so you can do it fast. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna curl our eyelashes. Okay, I might or might not put a timer. The next thing that we're gonna use is the bond. Okay, we're gonna apply it in all of our eyelashes, and that is, I think that it's my that is why it lasts me 6 days every time. A lot of people said that you should only apply here, kind of like near to the roots, but I like to apply them everywhere because I feel they are more secure. We're gonna put blue here a little bit, and then we're gonna pop it here. Okay, now 2 tips. Okay, the secret for your tweezer to not stick to the eyelash is you have to put the lock. Okay, now you're gonna leave a little bit of skin here, at least that's what I do, because if not, you're gonna be uncomfortable. ¿Se puede ver? ¿Se verá? Ah, ok. Ahí está. Sale completa. Voy a sacar otro 12. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'm not gonna talk. Okay, there it is. So I cut one in half, one number 10 in half, because I feel that I was missing something here. So I'm gonna save these for the next time that I need it, if it works. Now I'm gonna close my bond and I'm gonna use my lock. We're gonna put the lock all over our tweezers so they don't stick to our eyelashes and mess up the work that we did. We're gonna go to our eyelashes and we're gonna press them like so. Okay, and that's it. Now we're gonna do the same with the other eye. You know, I'm scared because this is not my dominant hand. Okay. And that's all. That's all. When you have time, I don't have time right now, clean your eyelash, clean your tweezers. Look at the difference on my face. Oh my god, I know you can see it. I know you can see it. And here are my new eyelashes. I'm gonna put this so you can, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but if I look down, looking up, oh, there you go, look at that. This is how we're gonna have our eyes ready for 1 whole week. So this is 6 days after. They are all in place. All in place. This one right here kind of moved, but it's not giving me problems. The one that I put here, the teeny tiny cluster that I put there, I took it off because he was poking a little bit. I didn't put it correctly, so I just took it off. But overall, they are good. They are good. They receive a lot of water every day. They didn't move. I am curious to know how long they will last, like perfect on my eyelashes without moving, without coming off. I would like to know, but I don't dare. Tomorrow it's gonna be the 7th day and I am gonna take them off and I am going to put a whole new set because I want to try another mix. I want to try different numbers, different, it's gonna be a whole different vibe. So I think I'm just gonna stay curious. Unless you want me to try it out to see how long it lasts, let me know in the comments. But thank you so much for watching, for staying till the end. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident about doing your eyelash extensions in your own house. Don't forget to check the link for this product in the description box down below. And if you like this product, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that might find it useful. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and the life of a small business owner. See you in the next video. Bye.